Alrighty, I have a mighty Canadian Minebuster update for you guys today. So as you can see, Minebuster has been currently under redevelopment by Gravity Group to install its pre-cut vertical track segments onto it, along with some reshaping of the airtime hills and adding in a new one as well. So it's going to be a much smoother and better experience in 2025. And I definitely foreshadow that it'll be the rest of Minebuster that gets done during the 2025 off season in preparation for the 2026 season. So definitely a lot of work going on with Minebuster. As you can see here, that pre-cut track by Gravity Group has been installed onto Minebuster. They are hard at work getting a lot of it put into place. It really emphasizes that new shaping and that new airtime hill. You can really start to see it coming to life. Definitely can't wait to get on Minebuster and experience it in the 2025 season. And again, it's going to be awesome once they redo the entire ride. Now, with that being said, there is obviously still some work to do. They're just beginning to do this part of Minebuster, the drop and the pull out of the drop. So it'll be really cool to see how they reshape that section of Minebuster. So definitely really looking forward to seeing what they do with the drop and that first airtime hill. Again, I'm really happy with the park's decision to Gravity Group Minebuster instead of Wild Beast. That leaves a lot of room for the future or lack thereof for a ride like Wild Beast. I really hope that my prediction of Wild Beast getting bulldozed or turned into a big RMC, again, I'm going with bulldozed, for a ground-up RMC or even just a better roller coaster in that section with the go-karts. I definitely am very happy that they went with the decision to Gravity Group Minebuster, one of Canada's Wonderland's star attractions and what was supposed to be Frontier Canada and now is Frontier Canada. So it's great to see, and I'm excited to see what happens with Wild Beast in the future. Anyways, thanks so much for watching today's update. Stay tuned for a lot more updates on Alpine Fury and Minebuster, and who knows, there might be something new coming soon. Have a good one, guys. Bye.